In solution-focused therapy, longer doesn't always mean better. Some of the most powerful SFT sessions last just 10, 20, or 30 minutes. These are called ultra-brief sessions, and they're built for impact, not duration. The goal isn't to do more talking. It's to ask the right questions at the right time in the right tone. Ultra-brief SFT works because it's focused, it's direct, and it's respectful of the client's time, energy, and capacity. We don't need to know everything to be helpful. We just need to find a small opening, a vision, a strength, an exception, and build on it. In fast-paced sessions, we skip the long history. We get straight to, what tells you things aren't worse? What's one small step you can take after this conversation? It's efficient, not rushed. Intentional, not shallow. And it's not just for crisis settings. Ultra-brief SFT is used in schools, hospitals, hotlines, and coaching. Anywhere change needs to happen quickly. Even in just one session, a client can leave with clarity, direction, and hope. The key is precision. Listening deeply, asking smart questions, tracking what matters. We also don't overload the client. One goal, one insight, one action step. That's enough to move forward. And follow-up is always possible. SFT doesn't depend on intensity. It depends on alignment with the client's timing, focus, and energy. Some clients don't need long-term support. They just need one empowering moment. And ultra-brief SFT delivers that. So whether you have 50 minutes or 15, ask yourself, what's the smallest, most meaningful question I can ask right now? Because in the world of SFT, even a short session can create a long-term shift.